Muhammad Mustafa, a talented under-15 batting all-rounder from Hyderabad and a trainee of Imran Khan Cricket Academy, starred in the regional under-15 summer day and night colour kit cricket tournament 2025 held at Police Cricket Academy Ground, Hyderabad. As captain of the district Nowabshah team, he led from the front, scoring 58 runs and taking 3 wickets in the final, earning the Player of the Match award. With consistent performances throughout the tournament, including scores of 88, 54 and 58 and sharp off-spin bowling, he was also named the Player of the tournament. A bright future awaits this promising all-rounder from Hyderabad. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting talent by sharing, commenting, and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to my social media accounts Junaid Memon Official.